Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be doing another police body cam reaction because like I've told you in the past, this is my guilty pleasure. And if I love it, I know you guys love it as well. So let's get right into this police body cam video. In this video, a girl got caught trying to cash a fake check from a company whose name she seemed to have forgotten. Embarrassing. Let's get into this.
Hey, Heather Mitchell. Hey, can you send a unit to the affiliate bank and trust? They have a subject that was passing bad checks and giving the manager a hard time. I'm here, but it just had an extra unit come over here.
Yeah, I can send Central Cover your way. Yep, no problem, thanks.
Yep.
On January 22nd, 2025, officers responded to the Joliet Bank and Trust, reporting a possible fraudulent check. Here's what happened when officers arrived on scene.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
As it starts happening, we show up.
Oh. Okay, so basically I was working for a company online and I did the interview and everything. So when I did the interview and everything, they started giving me customers to talk to the people that was online. That was it, that was all. I contacted.
Doing what?
I did my deposit, I did it to like a bank account that I have. It never went through, so I called them like, okay, where's my paycheck? They told me, okay, we're gonna have to send it out. And that's what they did. I don't do fraud and none of that. I'm fucking hurt right now because they basically just...
What's the name of the company?
It's called,
I don't know.
I got proof on my phone. I don't do none of this.
No, I get it, but, you know, if you work for a company...
Yes, but this is online.
She looks familiar to me.
I'm getting fraud out of this shit or what? Like,
Pause. I've seen this girl before. I've seen her face and I've heard her voice. Where have we seen her before? Walmart.
Alright, Deja. So, they got you on camera, basically taking money from the register, putting it in your pocket.
money? Where?
Yeah. They got you on camera.
Nothing, please.
Don't come here just to look at videos.
So what y'all finna do?
Arrest you.
Arrest me?
Yeah, so you're gonna do what they told you to do is get back on.
Why is y'all arresting me?
Because you're under arrest for stealing.
I didn't steal anything.
Okay, just take off your vest so then we can get out of here.
Bro, don't touch me. I gotta get my I gotta get my stuff!
You're under arrest.
Oh, I'm not even out of I'm still shopping. Okay.
I freaking do it. I'm like, her voice sounds so familiar, the cadence in her voice and even her look. Something about her is too familiar for me. I did a quick search and there it was. Walmart cashier. And apparently she's making a habit of it because now she's getting caught trying to cash fake checks.
That's why I look so
You have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
How long did you work for them?
Only for a month.
A month?
Yes.
Thank you.
And he keep asking me questions. I'm telling him I don't even know.
Well,
like,
if something doesn't look right on their end,
I understand that, but
they're
I'm telling
completely
him.
federal, so...
I'm still trying to figure out what does she do for the company.
Big trouble, right? Yes, I understand that. I don't do this.
They send me people and I talk to them.
Yes, I do.
About what?
He's calling to see what they want to do. So it'll be a few minutes. He's going to find out.
What they want to do.
Yeah, he's got
It's like I'm getting fraud. Do y'all understand this? Like, no.
No, you are the
Well,
fraud.
this is why we're here at the incident, trying to figure this whole thing out. We're doing a preliminary investigation to figure out what exactly is going on.
Okay.
So we get a call here. We gotta
He
come
just
talk to
said
everybody.
he called them and they said they don't know me, but I don't know, y'all. I'm doing this off internet. The internet can be fraud. I'm doing this off the internet.
Well, then you would definitely want him to investigate it to clear you.
And now you're on the internet.
So asked you for like your company that you're working for. And
I told him everything.
no, this is what we're asking you for the company you're working for, and you couldn't even tell me the name of the company that you're working for. You see where I'm getting at with this now?
Huh? I just told you.
Girl,
it's like I'm
stop
telling
it.
you, I can't. No.
So he's checking into it.
Okay, that's fine. That's
Because they might, maybe it's somebody that's doing this to other people. We need to,
that's what I'm saying.
So-
And I'm like, I'm 21, y'all. I work with kids with autism. That's my mainly job. This was just a extra job that I wanted, to get more income. But I didn't know that I was going to get fried to the point that I'm stuck in this.
That's why we're doing our part. He's doing
I don't
his
buy
part.
it.
So
I
just
don't
sit
buy
tight.
it.
Make sure everything comes out to be the truth that it is what it is.
First of all, you should know off the bat the name of your company.
Or maybe there's a glitch.
Immediately.
Something messed up.
I don't like that.
So give us a minute. We'll figure this out.
The fact that she's like,
You got her file number?
I can't remember.
Should I write my name? Should I write my file?
If you have the file number, just write about the file number.
My name.
You didn't write that file number?
No.
Can I see your ID one more time? Alright. If someone gives you this,
Should I write my file?
write down. So if you want to step over here real quick, run it, make sure it's in that file.
How do you go from going viral
He's
for
making a
stealing
call
at
for
Walmart to now this?
He'll give us give us some final work on it.
With the legitimacy of the $5,000 check being verified, cops' suspicions grew as Deja was providing them with conflicting statements from what she told the bank staff. But when cops try to ask her for proof that she works for the company listed on the check, she had this to say to them.
Man, just have a seat out here while he makes his call. Give him some privacy. Like I said, he's got to look into it. He's got to check into it. So just chill out, find out what's going on.
No, I don't understand.
It may be.
This is crazy.
It may be something.
I was crying because this is happening to me right now. I don't do this.
Whatever.
I come to this bank every day to check deposits from.
It's happening
when
to
I get
you
from
because you
my
did it.
Apartment to my light bill.
Okay.
Like,
That's how that works.
Yeah. Well, just like I said, just sit tight. He's going to check it out. It's one of those things where, he's got to make sure everything's all good. Everything's.
It was just the questions he was asking, like, you sure? I'm telling him everything. Like, I don't have.
Do you know the name of the guy who issues you the checks?
I got it on my email, but right now my phone is dead, and I kept
Oh,
telling him
of
that.
course
It's
it
real.
is.
My
Of
phone
course it
really
is.
died when
The
I
phone
was
is always
texting
dead.
It died. I
Conveniently.
was trying to show him every proof, literally.
I'm sure somebody's got a phone charger. We'll get to the bottom of it. We'll find out. Because if they're issuing false or bogus checks, then they need to be investigated. If they're giving you that. So whoever's doing this or behind this, they definitely need to be looked into. So, they have a protocol that they have, and they have to go by that protocol. And if something comes in like that, they have to look into it.
The first time somebody was trying to, it was like on Instagram. They basically were trying to.
You go in here for a minute? Yeah. Go in the car real quick. It's going to be here. We'll be right back.
Yeah, no problem.
Basically was trying to write my picture, like of myself. I'm going to send you a deposit, this and that. And I was young at the time.
Okay.
So I didn't know, like.
So did they send you a bogus check or something?
They said, I guess they did, and it closed my account. I'm like, wait, I treated the f out of him. Excuse my
Ain't she like 20? But back then I was young.
I'm thinking you doing some real trying to.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's what made me step back, but.
Yeah. Well, you got to understand, like with the banks, they have this, something.
I don't play with banks.
Yeah. Well,
you can go to jail doing stuff like.
Yeah.
I don't play with banks, and I've been with them
And you
for
will.
a long time. This never happened.
Okay. Well, like I said, it'll definitely get to the bottom of it. I can assure you that's what we're trying to do right now. So we'll find out what's going on with it, and we'll go from there.
In the middle of speaking with Deja, the sheriff got word that the check was indeed fraudulent. But upon sharing the news with her, Deja was clearly upset by this news.
Well, there's a problem with the check.
Okay, he just said that, yeah.
Okay. There's a big problem with it.
I fried myself. This is why I'm mad right now. I'm not even mad, but I'm very upset.
Okay.
Like, I went through this. I didn't know that was fried.
So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find out. If you're saying they sent this to you online, there's a way of tracking this. We're going to find out. Of course, we're going to have to contact whoever issued it to find out what they're doing. But this has to be investigated. Okay? So
if I were her at this point, I probably would be pooping in my pants.
We just gotta, we gotta make sure we check into this.
Because you're caught. You're caught. You're screwed. There's no way out.
I'll stand with her. Just go ahead and just get that final word from him. But it sounds like it's not good. So, you got anything on you shouldn't have? Got any weapons or anything? Keys? Okay. Yeah, I take a peek at it. It's not.
That's fine. Do whatever, because it's just, I'm so upset.
No, I got you.
Like, I'm in a position that people go through and can't get themselves out of. And I don't do this.
Well, like I said, we will get to the bottom.
Yeah, you do.
Of this. We will.
You're doing it right now.
You know exactly what's going on with this. So.
It's actually scary. It's actually scary because I gave them my information.
The people that gave you that?
Yes.
Okay.
So I don't, that's why I said this is an online thing.
But you work for them, right?
For a month. Like, I just been doing this for a month.
So they mail you the check?
Yes.
Doing what?
Like I said, they're
doing what?
It takes a few
Still confused.
to get all this information, but yeah, we're gonna we'll get this resolved. You know, everybody's got bosses, so he's got to make sure he's checking, and it's a process. Like I said, they have a protocol, so they'll let you know what's going on in a second here.
After the bank confirmed that the check was fraudulent, the sheriff now asks specific questions about her employer, but Deja is seemingly unable to answer them.
You're telling me about where they gave you a bogus. You're saying, did you ever have any other situations like that?
What?
Where you got a bogus, somebody gave you a bogus check?
Not like this.
Okay.
It was like, he sent the picture, and basically I took a picture and tried to deposit. He's like, you can deposit it to your... He's a white dude, too.
Okay. So this is the second time
for you
a
white dude. And?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I'm like...
You said you worked for them a month, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was trying to get another income.
Okay.
But my actual job of me going in is I work with autism kids.
You've been doing that for
autism kids. You mean autistic?
You say you work with autistic kids?
I've been doing that since March.
Okay.
I can tell.
You got 2 jobs then, huh?
Supposed to be.
Okay.
Supposed to be.
Okay. Well, like I said, it'll all get worked out. Like, whatever's going on with this, they'll look into it. It'll get worked out. It has to, because... if somebody's out here putting those types of checks out, we definitely can't let that fly,
I was trying to show him the pay stub. Why is he mad at me?
You say you say you have a pay stub?
I tried to show him the pay stub.
Okay. And then
I don't like when people, I don't like that.
Well, maybe the company...
Girl, you're lying on yourself.
Did they send you a pay stub?
Yes.
Okay.
They send me whatever they send.
And this is for a month.
I can't do nothing about it. Like, I'm the one who getting fried here. Like, I'm the one who gave them my information.
Okay.
And they got my name.
Can you call your boss, your supervisor?
I know. I talked to one person. And
Do
I
you
was
have
on an interview. I'm telling you, this was on the internet. This is on the internet.
Okay.
I could say if it was in person, of course. This is on the internet. I did a Zoom call with them and everything.
Okay. Right. And you never called, like, when you got this check, this is your first check, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Who would be your supervisor? What's his name?
I don't know his name.
Who do you work
Oh my
for?
God, girl.
Like who do you report to?
It's...
Do you see what I'm saying? Like, if you work somewhere...
I don't know his name.
Somebody who I report to, right?
Yeah.
And it's some dude. I don't know his name.
Some dude.
You don't know his name?
I know that.
Like,
I
that
don't
you did
get time slips.
Okay.
How do you not know your soup's name?
With Deja's story continuing to change and being unable to verify any concrete details about her employment, the cops were left with only one option left.
Okay. We are going to put you under arrest. We are...
What? I'm gonna do what y'all tell me to do.
Yeah.
But for what?
They'll look into it.
We're just going to look into it
This is
later.
scary. Y'all, this is scary. I'm getting fraud myself.
Okay.
I don't understand. What did I do wrong? I just try to cash a fake check.
Okay.
Oh my God. This is... Okay, you don't have to do it that tight. Okay. Thank you.
You have anything on you shouldn't have, correct?
At least she's a lot nicer getting arrested this time around than she was at Walmart.
Because you still ain't tell me what's going on. Like,
I mean, our backroom department will work it out. Our fraud department.
I'll say this: she's very committed to her life. Very committed to her
Our
life.
department will work.
Thanks. I got it. Get wherever you need it.
But you're still going to jail.
Transaction. Okay, cool.
And I am just going to search you before we put you into our vehicle.
Yeah, we're going to do this in front of my SWAT car.
Okay.
Alright. And she got a good handle on her.
Alright, I'm just going to be standing right over here. Just going to have you place towards the vehicle. Okay, do you have anything on you that could stick me, poke me, or hurt me? Sorry, I'm just going to... Okay, oh, I'm sorry.
I have secondhand embarrassment for her.
Yep, just going to get you in the vehicle, okay?
Yeah, buckle in.
Yeah.
Deja Hawley was taken to jail and was charged with deceptive practices. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
She guilty. She guilty. I mean, how in the world do you not know your employer's name? You don't know who your supervisor is? The fact that she's being asked questions that you should just know off the bat, right? Like, just questions you should know. Oh, I went on the internet. I did it on the internet. Like, what does that even mean? Like, the internet is such a broad term to use, right? Like, we've all been on the internet for about 30 years now. Like, what website did you go on? Tell us that. That should have all the information that you need, but everything is so vague. And of course, she can't check because her phone died. What a coinkydink. Yeah, poor Deja. Poor Deja. She is making a career out of embarrassing herself on YouTube and going viral. First at Walmart and now at the bank. What's next? Let me know in the comments down below what you think is going to be next for poor Deja. If you enjoy my content, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit my notification bell so you know when I post a brand new video. Until next time.